Sorry, mate.
Oh yeah, what's up?
Sorry, can I ask you a question? I'm just a new driver.
Oh yeah, sure.
I just put some petrol,
Okay.
E5.
Yeah.
I turn on the bike, but when I put the, how it's called, the gear,
Oh
it
yeah.
fell down.
Let's see. So you're saying when you put it into gear,
Yeah. Like it starts with on the neutral, but when I put the gear, it's
probably because of kickstand. So if you just like get on it, if you sit on it,
okay. Let's see.
and then put this one up and try that.
Do you think it's that?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Thank you, man. I don't
Because
see
that
anything.
yeah, no, that will.